Regardless of whether you are using Windows, Mac, Linux, Android or iPhone, you have likely found yourself in a situation where you want to transfer data from one device to another. For example, you might want to transfer travel photos from your phone to your computer. Using a USB connection isn't an option because you want to transfer data from your phone to your computer, and you don't have enough space on Google Drive or any other cloud service you use. To make transferring data from one device to another hassle-free, here's a simple way to send data from any device. All you need is an internet connection. PairDrop is a web application inspired by Apple's AirDrop. Both systems allows for wireless data transfer between devices. While AirDrop operates within the Apple ecosystem, PairDrop is designed to work over the internet, enabling data transfer between different devices and operating systems. No registration is required to use this service. All you have to do is open the website on both devices, click on the chain icon, pair your device permanently, and enter the 6-digit code you see on one device into the other device. Additionally, if you want to transfer data between a computer and a phone, you can establish the connection by scanning the QR code displayed on the computer screen with your phone. Once the connection is initiated, a new icon representing the other device will appear on both devices. It is important to note that this website will randomly assign names to your devices, so don't let that confuse you. If you wish, you can change the device name by clicking on the pencil icon next to the name and entering your desired name. Data transfer is done by clicking on device icon to which you want to send data and simply select what you want to send. A new window will appear on a device that receives the data. This will give you the option to accept or decline the transfer. The site also offers the option to connect multiple devices simultaneously, allowing you to send different data to different computers. For example, this is especially useful at work if you want to send different documents to different people. You can do this by adding each device individually or by creating a temporary data sharing group. If you choose this option, you will need to enter 5 letters on the other computers, and you will also receive a QR code that you can scan. If you have multiple devices, you will be able to clearly distinguish between groups as they are marked in yellow, while direct connections are marked in blue. For illustration, in the newly created group, I will add another Android device and send a photo from it to another device in group. PairDrop allows for data sending between devices by a local network. This means that devices must be in a close proximity to communicate, peer-to-peer transfer, thus avoiding the use of a server as an intermediary. All data transferred this way is encrypted. using end-to-end encryption, meaning it's only readable on the devices between which the transfer occurs, while remaining unreadable to any third party. The use of encryption and direct data transfer between devices ensure a high level of security for users. Since this is an open source application, you can view the code on GitHub. If you are able and wish to support the further development of this web application, you can do so with a one-time donation through a Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.